Welcome back to DIY Yolande. As you read from the title, I'll be creating DIYs that you can use for Inspo as Christmas gifts. So with Christmas coming up in a couple of weeks, in a couple of days, depending on when you watch this, just thought to drop a couple of videos to inspire you on what you can DIY during this festive season, so that your gift to your loved ones is extra special. And these DIYs that I am creating are actually going to be gifts to family and friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. Here's a run through of all the items that I use, and remember, all the items will also be listed down in the description box below. This is an 80 centimeter by 36 centimeter board. So AEG Power Tools have borrowed me their power tools to demo. And as you guys know, this is the very first time that I'm using a different brand to the normal brand that I normally use, and I'm so excited because they reached out and asked me to just utilize some of their power tools for my upcoming DIYs. So let's demo these power tools together. So comment down below, have you heard of AEG Power Tools before? Please comment down below if you have. If you have, and if you haven't, please let me know. Now I'm just dusting off the debris from the belt sander. Then I'm going to put in varnish as per the directions on the can of the varnish. So always, guys, remember to read the directions or the instructions on the item that you are using. So I'm using this opener from GrannyB. Stir your varnish before use, and guys, please remember, I'm not going to take you through how to use varnish unless you want that video. That could be a separate video that I would do, but please use the varnish as per the instructions on the tin. Now I'm just planning out the positioning of my items. Then I am going to drill them into place. I love that this drill, the chuck detaches. So cool. The chuck detaching from the drill actually makes you reaching the tighter spaces when you're drilling so much easier. AEG, I give you props for this one. This is brilliant. I'm using double-sided tape to stick down the calculator. Here I'm using a bolt so that the keys can swing on the activity board. And here is the completed activity board that you can create on a budget. And the beautiful thing with it is that it can be an easy Christmas gift for your child to enjoy. Even though the activity board is going to be a fun project for your child or for your toddler to work with, it has key benefits, which are: it enhances a wide range of behavioral skills, including counting, problem solving, number recognition skills, fine motor and hand-to-eye coordination. It also boosts your child's confidence and self-esteem through the achievements throughout the board. As I've shared in the video, this was my first time demoing or working with the AEG power tools, and I just want to share 3 key first impressions with you. The power of these cordless power tools is amazing, and that is because they are 18-volt cordless tools. And I love the fact that the chuck gets detached from the drill. That is genius. And the battery life is long lasting. Comment down below, have you used AEG power tools before? Or have you seen them around being promoted? I'd like to hear from you guys. And I hope this DIY has inspired you to DIY this Christmas season. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep those post notifications turned on, as I'll be dropping more videos throughout the week to help inspire you to DIY those Christmas gifts this year. So see you next time, and don't forget, power tools have no gender. Peace!
Thank you.